Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone supports Esim and is unlocked by your carrier. Once done, make sure you have the carrier's QR code or activation code at hand, because scanning or entering it is the first actionable step. You should also connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to download profiles. Make sure to note your current cellular plan name so you can identify the right profile later. This prevents accidental overwrites and speeds the next steps. You tap Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, and choose Add eSIM. This moves the process forward. Next, scan the carrier QR code or type the activation code precisely. Small typos cause failures, because that registers the profile with your device. Once the profile installs, assign a clear label and choose whether this line is your default for voice or data. Also set data roaming and preferred network settings now, because those choices. You finish by activating the new eSIM line in your cellular settings and then restart the device to force a fresh network registration. Once rebooted, make sure the new line is enabled for data and test by opening a web page and running a quick speed check to confirm performance. If you don't get service, try toggling airplane mode, rebooting again, or re-adding the profile. Contacting carrier support with your activation code is the key troubleshooting step if those actions fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.